Hello lover, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel. Today we are learning Samoan phrases about Easter. Enjoy! So our first Samoan phrase about Easter is Manuia le Eseta. Manuia le Eseta. If you understand what that means, tell me in the comments before I tell you what it means. Okay, so Manuia le Eseta means Happy Easter. Our second Samoan phrase about Easter, can you guess what it is? No, okay. Wa toetu mai lesu. Wa toetu mai lesu. What does it mean? It means Jesus is risen. Jesus is risen. Our third Samoan phrase about Easter is E te alu I le lotu o le eseta. Say it again. E te alu I le lotu o le eseta. And that means, are you going to the Easter service? Are you going to the Easter service? Now, someone made a comment that lotu is not service, which does make sense. Yes, it's not literally translated into church. Yeah, but you don't actually say in English, are you going to the church? Easter church. Are you going to the Easter church? No. We say, are you going to the Easter service in English, which is why that literal translation of Samoan into English doesn't make sense, and why we use the word service instead of church. Yeah. Our next Samoan phrase about Easter is Yoi oute alu le lotu. Say it again. Yoi oute alu I le lotu. So, yes, I am going to church, but if we're using it in this as an answer to the previous phrase that we just asked, then yes, I am going to the Easter service, even though there's no Easter in there. Well, you know what I mean. Yeah, so it's linked to the previous phrase. Yes, I am going to the Easter service because we're referring to the previous phrase. But we're also, we can also mean, yes, I'm going to the service. Yes, I'm going to church. Those were our Samoan phrases for Easter. Tell me in the comments if you picked up what the word Easter is in Samoan. Write in the comments now. Yes. Thank you so much for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. We hope that you have learned something, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us with algorithms and all of the other stuff. Yeah, so subscribe to our channel, like the video, share it with whoever you can. Thank you again. Fa taitele lava to fa soifua.